Hello everyone, this is Sean, your roof guy. We are here in downtown Orlando. We're at the church again. Gonna try to get some work done this morning. Got the crew here going over everything. Weather's gonna preclude us from doing any repairs today, but let me show you kind of what we're looking at. As you can see, we have the crew here discussing what's gonna happen. See all the work they've done. Did a really great job. A lot of wet on this roof today. Like I said, we're not going to get anything done today except for setting up a game plan, which is really important. Just show you how this thing looks now.
It's gonna like that.
Just part of the crew.
Like this right here. If you got some places.
As you can see, we've done a lot of work on this church so far. Pretty proud of the work these guys have done. Got a lot more to do, but this right here is going to keep us from getting very far today. Anyway, just kind of show you guys kind of what's looking like here. This is Sean, your roof guy. You guys have a great day.